recordar. Recordar. Do you know what this means? Recordar. Recordar. This means to remember. Another common, very common verb. Very simple also. This is just when talking about remembering things or not remembering things. So recordar, it's very similar to remember. For example, I can say, no recuerdo lo que dijiste. No recuerdo lo que dijiste. This means I don't remember what you said. I don't remember what you said. What did you say? Can you repeat what you said? Well, this is like something else, but this phrase means I don't remember what you said. No recuerdo. No recuerdo means I don't remember. You can also say yo no recuerdo, but no recuerdo means I don't remember. No recuerdo. Lo que, we're using lo because we're talking about something vague. We don't know what it is. Lo is it's like saying in this situation it, but in English people say what. In this situation it will be similar to what. Dijiste, you said. So again, no pronoun here. Tú dijiste, okay? Tú dijiste. You just need dijiste. No recuerdo lo que dijiste. I don't remember what you said. Very interesting. Yeah, you need lo right here because we are referring to something. You know, it's like saying it. I know you don't need it in English, but in Spanish you need to include that. Lo que dijiste, what you said. Okay? Similar to what you said. Okay, the next example, guys. Recuerda comprar pan. Recuerda comprar pan. This is a command. Recuerda. 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 This means remember. Comprar. To buy. Comprar. Pan. Pan, bread. Okay? Recuerda comprar pan. Remember to buy bread or to pick up bread, you know. You need to go to the store, or the person that you're saying this to needs to buy bread. Okay, go to the store and buy bread. Excellent. Recuerda. Remember. Recuerda. Comprar means to buy, and pan. Pan means bread. Very, very, very simple. Okay.